There's fun in learning around the bend. You could even do it with your best friend. If there's science stuff that you like to know, come watch Allie and CoCo's Science Show.
Hello, my Grinches and Who's, and welcome back to another episode of A Very CoCo Christmas. Now, this is a season where we like to deck the halls. I will never use that joke again. I'm so sorry. But we like to deck the halls this time of year to get festive, get in the feeling of Christmas. And what a lot of people don't even think about is that we buy these decorations from these big box stores, baubles, tinsel, glittery, plasticky things, and then a lot of times people just throw them out. And what we want to use instead is reusable materials and biodegradable materials. I'm going to show you two of my favorite, easy to do, you've got it at home kind of crafts. We're going to do craft time with my dog. So the first thing we're going to do is a salt dough ornament. So I'm leaving the recipe and all the links to all these crafts and other ideas down in the description below. I've got salt and flour and some warm water. Gonna knead the dough. I guess I'll just use my hand. Sorry, we have an issue. My hand is like... This is one of my favorite decorative items that you can make easy at home because it has many applications. It's basically like working with Play-Doh. We're making a dough here. Does it taste good? Science moment. It's very salty. And anything your mind and hands can create is available to you. If you're artsy enough to make a snowflake to hang in your tree, that's amazing. I'm not. If you're artsy enough to make a Santa or a reindeer or a snowman, awesome, go for it. I'm not artsy. I'm doing a very, if she'll let me, a little keepsake of my dog. Just a few things to keep in mind. So don't paint or color or do anything to the raw dough. You're gonna wanna do that after you cook it in the oven for 1 to 2 hours. Also, if you want an ornament, make sure you pop a hole out before you put it in the oven. Let's see if Colette will let me have her paw print. Can I have this real quick? Just gonna put this down here. Awesome. Thank you so much. Oh, awesome. Squeeze! Oh, thank you, Colette. Okay, guys, I got the paw print. So now we're ready to cook it in the oven. Here's our paw print. Okay. Now let's get to decoration number 2, paper snowflakes. So, paper snowflakes are awesome because, again, make them however you want or have fun doing it with a bunch of people. And if you use recycled or repurposed paper, you get extra points. I've created a square. I folded it diagonally to make a nice isosceles triangle. Now I'm going to fold it in half. And I'm going to fold it in half again. Here's the biggest tip. You need to have some side that stays connected on this folded edge. So you can cut the corner. You can cut along this edge, but you can't completely remove any of that. The world is my snowflake. Time to cut things. I'm cutting. Learned this in kindergarten or something like that. Colette's bird watching and smacking her chops. What are you doing? Yeah, let's set up that. Now for the big reveal. What kind of psychological tests are we gonna have today? Oh my god, it's so cute! Wait, look at that! It's not snowflake shaped, but it's like beautiful. So guys, my first time doing this video, I did the snowflake not wrong. It's cute. I kind of like it. I wanted to do the snowflake right, so that's where this clip is coming from. It's the next day. But anyway, enjoy the video. You're gonna have your square piece of paper. I'm selling golf clubs today. Fold it in half. fold it in half again. Now you could fold it in half and then do what I'm about to do if you want a bunch of repeated patterns. I'm gonna keep it simple. Fold both corners toward the middle. So you're gonna fold both ends into the middle. Then you kind of have this cool little fox guy. So, So what you're gonna do, you're just gonna chop the fox ears off. Look at that, ready? I'm gonna do mine kind of like rounded. Ooh. Now, same thing. Don't cut this corner. Don't cut the edge. Don't cut all that off, but you can cut some of it. So like I'm gonna cut right into it. I'm gonna cut the corner off. Let's see what we get. Fahu, Doris, Fahu. Oh. Ooh. Oh my gosh. I'm an artist. Am I an artist? Look at that, guys. Wow. I made a snowflake. I know there's so many different ways you can fold and cut things, so I'm just gonna leave like some fun guides down below in the description just in case you guys wanted to follow some other ones. So these are my two favorite Christmas biodegradable decorations. So I was gonna do like a string of pine cones, but I only found 3 pine cones on my hike yesterday. So it was gonna look kind of sad, so I just opted for the dough and the snowflakes. But for the question of the day, I want to know, what is your favorite way to deck the halls? I personally love garland and wreaths, anything that's like real, and I just love anything that smells cinnamony during the holidays. Like if you incorporate cinnamon sticks into your decorations, your DIYs, listen, boom, it's Christmas. You know what I mean? Coco, what's your favorite way to decorate for the holidays? What's your favorite way? Not those guys. We're not big fans of the inflatable yard decorations. So with that, don't forget to comment down below, what is your favorite way to decorate for the holidays? And if you do any of these fun like DIY, biodegradable, waste-free, or anything like that, make sure you tag us on social media. I'll leave our handles for Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook down below. Use the hashtag A Very Coco Christmas so we can keep them all together. So if you do any of these DIYs, tag us on social media and we'd love to take a look at those. So comment down below, how do you like to decorate for the holidays? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to follow for more adventures. Ring that notification bell so you know when we're gonna put a new video out. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button if you learned something new or you like the sleepiest of puppies. And guys, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, so I took the dough to the oven. Of course I wasn't paying attention. I burnt mine a little, but you can still see her paw print. Make sure you put a timer on.